What if one single bite could trigger a chain reaction inside your body, a hidden journey you never see but feel every day? This is what happens when you eat a burrito. As the burrito approaches the mouth, the body prepares instantly. The brain activates sensory pathways: smell, anticipation, reward. Saliva production increases. Digestion has already begun before the first bite is even taken. Once swallowed, the burrito travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach, a powerful biochemical chamber. Here, acids and enzymes break the food apart into its basic components: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and micronutrients. The stomach churns rhythmically, transforming a solid meal into nutrient-rich fuel. From there, digestion moves into the intestines, the true center of absorption. Along the intestinal walls, millions of microscopic villi pull nutrients from the burrito and pass them directly into the bloodstream. Glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals now begin their journey through the body. The bloodstream carries these nutrients to every major organ. The heart responds first, pumping nutrient-rich blood with every beat. Coronary arteries deliver fuel directly to the heart muscle itself, supporting circulation and maintaining rhythm. Each pulse sends energy outward, sustaining life. In the brain, neurons light up as glucose fuels cognitive function. Synapses fire faster, neural connections strengthen, and mental clarity increases. This is the energy behind focus, memory, and mood. In the muscles, nutrients repair tissue and replenish glycogen stores. Muscle fibers absorb amino acids, supporting strength and recovery. This is where energy becomes motion. Inside the gut, beneficial bacteria thrive on complex carbohydrates and fibers. A balanced microbiome supports digestion, immunity, and overall metabolic health. As nutrients spread throughout the body, organs and tissues glow with renewed energy, a system working in harmony. But balance matters. Too much, too fast, or too often can stress the system. The stomach lining may become irritated. Blood sugar levels may spike, flooding the bloodstream with excess glucose. Some bodies react with inflammation, fatigue, or discomfort as energy drops after the surge. Every meal is a negotiation between nourishment and overload. A burrito can be fuel or it can be excess, depending on portion, ingredients, and frequency. Understanding what happens inside your body gives you control over how you feel outside it. And now you've seen what your body experiences from the very first bite. If this video was informative for you, please like and subscribe.